You know that feeling when you sleep enough, maybe 7 hours, maybe 8. You wake up, look at the ceiling, and your first thought is, no way, it's morning already. Your eyes are open, but your brain feels heavy, like somebody already used up half your energy before the day even started. So you stay in bed, open your phone, just for 5 minutes. Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, a few reels, a few notifications, nothing serious. And then 20 minutes disappear. Now, somehow, you feel even more tired than when you woke up. And you start thinking, what's wrong with me? Why am I always exhausted? Why can't I focus anymore? Maybe the problem isn't that you're tired. Maybe you're overstimulated. And if you felt this for months, you probably already know exactly what I'm talking about, because this doesn't feel like normal tiredness. Normal tiredness feels physical. You had a long day, you sleep, you feel better. This feels different. You wake up tired, you procrastinate, you avoid work, you open your phone, then feel guilty, then do nothing, then feel even more tired. It's weird. You don't even enjoy scrolling anymore. You just keep doing it. Here's something I started noticing. A lot of us never actually stop receiving input. You wake up, phone, walk, music, study, background video, eat, Netflix, sleep. One last scroll. Every empty moment gets filled, and your brain never gets a second where nobody is asking for something. Watch this. Sit down to study. Open your laptop. And suddenly, you physically cannot start. You open another tab, check messages, watch one video, walk around, come back. Still can't focus. Not because you're incapable, not because you're lazy. Sometimes, your attention is just exhausted. Researchers call part of this directed attention fatigue. Basically, your brain spends energy choosing what deserves attention and what doesn't. And when you keep switching content to content, screen to screen, that system gets overloaded. And here's the annoying part. When you're mentally drained, your brain doesn't crave rest. It craves easy stimulation. So you don't think, I should go sit quietly. You think, I'll just watch something, which turns into 2 hours. Then you wonder why you still feel exhausted. Because your mind never got a break. You changed activities, but not stimulation. So what actually helps? Just moments where your brain doesn't need to react. Go for a walk. No headphones. Sit with tea or coffee. Look outside. Cook without background noise. Lie in bed for 5 minutes before sleeping. Not productivity, not meditation. Just less. And yes, at first it feels uncomfortable, because silence feels strange when your brain is used to constant input. But after a few days, something weird happens. Your thoughts slow down. You stop reaching for your phone automatically. You feel more awake. Not because life changed, but because your brain finally had space. Try this tomorrow. First 30 minutes after waking. No phone. Don't optimize it. Don't journal. Don't meditate. Don't make it another challenge. Just wake up. Exist. See what happens. You might realize you weren't broken. You weren't unmotivated. You were just mentally crowded. And crowded minds don't create much. They survive. Protect your attention. People talk a lot about time. But attention is what time turns into. Spend it carefully. And I'll see you in the next one.